Today, we're looking at how to use video content to help people stay engaged on social media. This is Rose and Mary UK, and they deliver stunning flowers for all different special occasions. And they very much use social media in a very similar way. They're always showing the gorgeous bouquet. They sometimes have a person behind it, but ultimately it is all about the flowers and it's showing you what they can do. What I really liked is this. Now I'll show you why. So here you can see what is essentially a hyperlapse. So this is a type of video that you can take on most phones. So you can normally do like a little time lapse, or you can just slow-mo, or you can do this as basically the sort of speeded up version, if you like. And this is her creating a bouquet. So you can see that she's in the workshop. You can see, that she's creating everything from scratch. Everything is hand done, hand created. And so it shows the craftsmanship, the workmanship, and ultimately the people behind it. And then she's done an image at the end, which shows you the end result. So I absolutely love it because this is how people stay engaged. It is showing what the end result is. So sometimes people do a bit of a slow-mo, and sometimes people do the speed up. Now the speed up ultimately obviously makes sure that you can see, you can see basically, something that's not in real time. It's not going to take you a long time to sit and watch. People have quite a short attention span. So make sure that you're using these kind of speed up versions if you want to show, how you create a product and that it's all done from scratch or things like that. And then you would use maybe snippets to show, how you might create one aspect of it. They've tagged themselves in, and then they've used some really, really good hashtags here, like Richmond florist. They've used flower delivery Richmond as well.